Taming budgies to step onto your hand requires patience, consistency, and positive reinforcement. Here's a step-by-step guide. Phase 1: Building Trust, Days 1 to 7. 1. Start by letting your budgie become comfortable with your presence. 2. Place your hand near the cage, allowing your budgie to become familiar with your scent and voice. 3. Offer treats, e.g., millet, sunflower seeds, through the bars to associate your hand with food. 4. Gradually move your hand closer to the cage door. Phase 2: Hand Entry, Days 8 to 14. 1. Open the cage door and place your hand inside, palm facing upwards. 2. Let your budgie explore your hand at its own pace. 3. Reward curiosity with treats. 4. Repeat this process daily, increasing hand presence time. Phase 3: Step-Up Training, Days 15 to 28. 1. Place your index finger near the perch, encouraging your budgie to step onto it. 2. As your budgie steps onto your finger, provide treats and praise. 3. Gradually move your finger closer to your palm. 4. Repeat this process until your budgie comfortably steps onto your hand. Phase 4: Hand Transfer, after day 28. 1. Hold your hand near the perch, inviting your budgie to step onto it. 2. Once your budgie is on your hand, gently lift it out of the cage. 3. Practice transferring your budgie between hands. 4. Reward calm behavior with treats. Remember, every budgie is unique, and taming may progress at different rates. Stay calm, patient, and positive, and you'll be enjoying cuddles and hand perching in no time.